Now I want you to spin that tail around and work your magic. Now, I'm just kidding, but not really. All right, guys, as promised, today we move from stiffness to a technique that is going to be beneficial for both of you because it's going to wake up that beast below and it's going to bring moisture in the form of a tidal wave, right? So today I'm going to teach you the vortex. Now, according to Webster's dictionary, a vortex is a mass of fluid with a whirling or circular motion that tends to form a cavity or vacuum in the center of the circle. Now, the system you will learn today is called the vortex because when you do this with your partner, the response quickly becomes like a mass fluid, a vortex. Now, as you know, I'm a functional medicine physician and a sexologist. So we connect physiology with sexology every single day here on YouTube. So make sure that you subscribe, turn on your notifications so that you can get notified when we're having this amazing information. Also, because the stuff we dive into is real, it is working, and we have a huge community here of gents around, make sure you read the comments and share your experience and stories just like they are. Now, the vortex is a skill that has 3 parts to it. And when you do these 3 things with a willing and consensual partner, you both will witness a vortex of pleasure. So also, here's what you got to do. You got to make sure you stick around until the end of the video because we'll start the video training with the 3 parts. And at the end, I will actually walk you through your new learned skill, the vortex, in real time. Now, pinned in the comments below, I have a free gift for you too. Get it and get on my email list because there's always room and time for you to become the healthiest and the best version of yourself possible. All right, vortex, step 1. First, get as close as possible and right at your partner's neck. I want you to inhale deep through your nose with a sound of appreciation or words of appreciation, right? Because whatever sound you make should send the message of, damn, you smell good. Damn! And it's got me interested, right? And if you speak instead, be direct. Be like, gee, damn, I want you so bad. It's clear, it's direct, and guess what? It's a turn on for you both. Yeah. So step 1, sniff like an animal sniffing out his prey with an audible, direct sign that you want it. Now, this inhale also serves you physiologically too, because that deep nasal inhale with the hum or growl of appreciation sends vibrations into your nasal sinuses and causes a release from your body's biggest reservoir storage space of nitric oxide. Yes, it's huge. Now, when nitric oxide surges, so does stiffness. And actually, here's a video that goes more in depth on that here. Click there. But the vortex actually does more. Now, when performed correctly, the vortex actually takes the anxiety out of performance anxiety, which, by the way, is the #1 cause of erectile dysfunction. It's performance anxiety. But when your approach to lovemaking or intimacy is one with a plan that you know is going to work, the anxiety is gone poof like magic, bam. So step 2. Now you have 2 options with this step. This step is called carnal contact. With step 1, you've demonstrated that you're hungry for it. And it works because everyone wants to be wanted. Now, when you make it clear that you want it, you want them, they will want you right back. Now, that's why step 1 is so very important. I can't reiterate that enough. Now, with carnal contact, now you are going to make a passionate form of intentional body contact. So what does that mean? Now, if your partner is okay with hair touching, the best move is to firmly move your moisturized hand up the nape of the neck into the hairline and do a slight tug of the hair while you continue to kind of breathe close to the neck, making the sounds. If she doesn't like hair or scalp touching, instead, I want you to take your hand and lay it with intention, firm and solid on the back of her neck and firmly move it forward with a long caress, kind of bringing her to you or him. Step 3 of the vortex is to now use your well-moisturized mouth. Yes, you have to moisturize. Nobody likes dry, ashy lips. And yes, fresh breath is important too. Just no mouthwash. Remember the conversation on nitric oxide and mouthwash? You can review it and watch it here. it can ruin the moment completely. Now take your lips and with gentle intention, no fumbling on this one, I just want you to kiss or nibble this little part of the lip right here or here. The mouth is so neglected. When you do this and kiss or nibble on that one part of the lip and you're breathing, it sends an instant neurological impulse or message straight to your partner's love below. And behold, listen, a tidal wave. So you've used your Vortex skill set to put your partner in a tailspin. Now I want you to spin that tail around and work your magic. Now I'm just kidding, but not really. Let's review the Vortex. Step 1, you're going to take that deep nasal inhalation. Must be combined with or coupled with a moan or a groan, kind of make it carnal. And then some other form of audible appreciation. This is words, direct. It sends a direct message to those sizzle areas. Boom. Now to step 2 of the Vortex, that carnal contact. During this step, you make intentional physical contact without fumbling. For this, you have to be full of confidence, right? You got to get your swag up. If not, it may tickle, or even worse, it may be a complete turn off. They start laughing like, what are you doing? So start with a firm caress of the neck, or the preferred plan, which is a slight tug on the scalp. Yes, it sends that message and sends the chills. And with the last step of the Vortex, use your mouth to kiss and nibble on just one specific part of the mouth. Still while breathing really deeply through your nose, getting that nitric oxide flowing and that blood flow there, that stiffness there. Just don't get carried away, just enough. Now subscribe to the channel so you won't miss out on this great stuff. I'm trying to get up to 1 million followers, so make sure you send this out and subscribe. Tell your friends to subscribe and listen, try this tonight. Try the Vortex tonight. Let me know how it goes. I'm DrRachael. I love you. Boom! I'm out.